Hi, I'm Miss Susan from the Fountaindale Public Library, and today's Take It Make It is the Freedom Peace Quilt. So pick up your kit at the Children's Services desk and let's get started. Okay, so in your kit, there will be a solid black piece of construction paper and several assorted colored strips of construction paper. There will be a dove and two squares. There'll be different sizes, different squares. And then you will just need from home a glue stick and some scissors. So the first step in our Freedom Peace Quilt is cutting up some of the shapes that you'll be using to make your quilt look like this. So just take your scissors, and the shapes don't have to be perfect at all. I just went through and I just cut like that. I just cut like that and made them any shape that you want. You can have diamonds. I'll show you doing a diamond. If you go like this, I can get it just perfect here. No, this one's a tricky shape to do, but you can make diamonds like that. So everything else I just made very randomly with all my colors, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to put this off to the side because I have pre-cut some already. I have them in my little container here. So the first step to this is putting, now you don't really have to do this. This is just the way we designed the Freedom Quilt and what I saw online from a lot of Freedom Quilts is putting a square in the middle. Like that. And then another one on top, like this one is done. Now, I did one the other day where my square was like this, and you can do that also. I'm going to do that as a demonstration so that you can see. It's just a different position of the inner square. You don't have to do it this way, but it helps to have different ideas. So if you make a couple of them, you can just make some different ones. So then I just take any of my bright shapes and add them. Whoops. In different places, and this doesn't matter either. Freedom quilts were known as being an abstract art, and I don't know if you know what an abstract art is, but an abstract art form is basically something that doesn't conform to any standard. So it's very free, a free-flowing art form. So, oh, here's a yellow. Let's use some yellows. And I just keep going with the glue all over. So one of the last things that you'll want to do with your Freedom Quilt, once you've done all of the little pieces like I did here, you can add your dove right on the top. Now the dove is optional. You don't have to put the dove in, and the dove can be right side or pointing to the left side. It doesn't matter. You can have it pointing any direction you want. I am going to just throw my dove on here like that. And you can just keep going and put more things on, more colors. Just like that. Now in your instruction booklet that will be, your instruction sheet that will be included with your kit, there is information about the Freedom Quilts. I've included a website for more information and other books and information in our library that you can check out in the children's department. So there's a lot of cool things to look at. And it's not too bad. I want a different shape of a... Oh, here's a red. We'll put a red in. So you could probably add more colors if you wanted to, if you had more construction paper at home. I want to try and get it so it's still on the paper. I'm going to try and do that. I try to make sure the dove is on top, so that's why I was telling you to finish it off with the dove. But basically, you just keep on going. You can add more and cover some of your spots like that, just to make it abstract, like that. And that's what it'll look like when you're finished. Well, I hope you had fun today making our Freedom Peace quilts. We hope to see you soon at the Fountaindale Public Library. Bye!